to share about how to enable zip extension in XAMPP. So in PHP and in PHP related frameworks, for example Joomla. So if we want to use the zip file, zip package in Joomla project or PHP project, we have to enable the zip extension. If we don't enable the zip extension, it will cause error. So for example, in my Joomla project, in this project, if I save this, it will generate an zip extension. It will generate a folder in zip. So if I generate it, it will display a ZipArchive not found like this. This is in Joomla. In other frameworks also, if you use the zip extension, zip packages, and if we have not enabled the zip in XAMPP, so it will cause error like this. So we have to enable the zip extension. To enable the zip extension, click on this config in this Apache in XAMPP. Click on config and click on php.ini, and in this file search for extension equal zip. And there you can see this extension zip is comment out. So it has comment, so it is not working. So if I remove it, it will work. So we have to remove this comment to enable this extension. Remove that comment and save this file and stop the server and restart again. Now we have enabled the zip extension in XAMPP, and now we can generate a zip file. Now if I generate the zip, there you can see it downloads the zip and it works in zip file. So to solve that ZipArchive not found or zip related error, we have to enable this extension in php.ini file in XAMPP. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much for your attention.